All right, this is the 2017 GMC Acadia. I'm going to show you how I raise and lower the steering wheel. Okay, so I am in the vehicle, right? I am the vehicle with it parked. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reach underneath the steering wheel. Okay, under the steering wheel, there is a lever. Okay, in this vehicle, there's a lever. You see this right here? I'm going to take it and I'm going to pull it down. I pulled the lever down right here. In doing so, the steering wheel is unlocked. Now make sure your car is parked in the park position before doing this, okay? It is down. And then I'm gonna come up. The steering wheel is unlocked and I'm able to do things like push it away from me, pull it towards me, raise it up, lower it down, push it back in, okay? You're able to adjust it. And once you get it to the position that you want, you're gonna reach back underneath it. You're gonna take the lever and you're gonna lock it just like that. Lock the steering wheel. And that's how you adjust the steering wheel to your comfortability. Okay? Give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one.